Time hasn't been kind to this old photograph. Scratches, dust, and fading has taken over, but not for long. In this video, I will show you how to easily restore, retouch, and colorize any old photo, turning it into a clean, high-quality image that looks like it was taken today. And it's absolutely free. To begin this step, open your browser and go to this website, gemini.google.com. Go to Tools. Go on to Create Images. Click on this plus icon. You're going to get a notification like this. Just click on Agree. Select Upload Files. Right here, mine is located in the downloads. So just navigate to the file location where the photo is. I'm going to try this one first. We can see that it's looking old with cracks on it. It could just be your old family photos and whatnot. Click Open. So I've already copied a prompt to my clipboard. I'm going to paste the prompt right here. After pasting the prompt, go right here, click on this. Wait for the magic to happen. So as you can see here, it's doing its thing. It takes a couple of seconds to load. Isn't this amazing? So we have this old photo right here at the top. And if you look at this, it's just about the same person. This can help to bring your cherished memories back to life. So you can proceed to download it by just clicking on this icon. Now it's going to be downloaded to your default download directory. And if I open that, you can see the changes. Now we're going to try with another image. Go back here, click on this plus icon, select Upload Files. Now we're going to try this vintage photo. Click on Open. I'm going to paste in the same prompt. Now send it right here. Wait for a few seconds, let it do the magic. Wow, isn't this amazing? Have a look at this. And if you look at this one right here, you can see this is a massive upgrade. So you can do this for fun or use this to bring your damaged photos back to life. You can proceed to download that as well by clicking on the download icon. If you want more updates like this, remember to subscribe to this channel. Have a blessed day. Bye.